Hamster kobat tokens are a new type of cryptocurrency. They are digital assets. People use them to buy and sell things online. Some people believe they will be very valuable in the future. Others are not so sure. Hamster kobat tokens are interesting. They are fun to learn about. But it is important to remember that all investments have risks. One way to think about hamster kobat tokens is to calculate profit per hour. This approach helps you understand the immediate returns on your investment. This means figuring out how much money you are making each hour by holding the tokens. It's a straightforward method to gauge the performance of your assets. To do this, you need to know two things: the number of tokens you possess, and the price change of each token within the last hour. First, determine how many tokens you have in your digital wallet. This is the foundation of your calculation. Next, check how much the price of each token has gone up in the last hour. This information is crucial for accurate profit calculation. You then multiply the number of tokens you have by the price increase per token. This simple multiplication gives you the hourly profit. This gives you your profit per hour. Seeing this number can be quite motivating, as it shows the real-time growth of your investment. This is a simple way to see how well your investment is doing in a short period of time. By regularly checking this, you can make informed decisions about whether to hold or sell your tokens. While this method is great for short-term analysis, it's also important to consider long-term trends and strategies for a more comprehensive investment approach. Staying updated with market news and trends can help you make better decisions and maximize your profits over time. Remember, consistent monitoring and strategic planning are key to successful investing in cryptocurrencies like hamster kobat tokens. Let's say you have 100 hamster kobat tokens. These tokens are part of a new and exciting cryptocurrency that has been gaining popularity in the market. The price of each token has gone up by 5 cents in the last hour. This increase might seem small, but it can add up quickly, especially if you hold a significant number of tokens. To calculate your profit per hour, you would multiply the number of tokens you have by the increase in price per token. In this case, 100 tokens times 5 cents per token equals $5. This simple calculation shows how even a small price increase can result in a noticeable profit. This means you made $5 in the last hour just by holding on to your hamster kobat tokens. Imagine if the price continues to rise over several hours or even days. Your potential profit could be substantial. This is just an example, of course. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It's important to do thorough research and consider the risks before investing. The actual profit you make will depend on the number of tokens you have and how the price fluctuates. Always stay informed about market trends and be prepared for both gains and losses. Investing in cryptocurrency can be rewarding, but it requires careful planning and a good understanding of the market dynamics. Section 4. Calculating by number of coins. Another way to think about hamster kobat tokens is to calculate your total number of coins. This is a simpler method. You just need to keep track of how many tokens you have in your digital wallet. Some people find this method less stressful. They are not constantly checking the price, they are simply accumulating as many tokens as possible. They believe the tokens will be valuable in the long run. Section 5. Example of calculation by number of coins. Imagine you start with 500 hamster kobat tokens. You then participate in online tasks. You earn more tokens. You trade some of your other cryptocurrencies for more hamster kobat tokens. After a month you have 1,000 hamster kobat tokens. You have doubled your holdings. You did not worry about the daily price fluctuations. You just focused on accumulating more tokens. Section 6. Comparing the two methods. Both methods have pros and cons. When it comes to investing, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each approach is crucial. Calculating profit per hour gives you a good idea of your short-term gains. This method allows you to track your investments closely and make quick decisions based on real-time data. It can be exciting to see your investment grow quickly. The thrill of watching your portfolio increase in value can be very rewarding and motivating. However, it can also be stressful to watch the price fluctuate constantly. The volatility of the market can lead to anxiety and impulsive decisions, which might not always be in your best interest. Calculating by the number of coins is a more passive approach. This method involves holding on to your assets and not worrying about the daily price changes. It can be less stressful. By focusing on the number of coins you hold, you can avoid the constant ups and downs of the market and maintain a more relaxed investment strategy. However, you might not have a clear picture of your investment's value. Without tracking the market, you may miss opportunities to maximize your gains or minimize your losses. Which method is better? It depends on your personality and investment goals. Some investors thrive on the excitement and challenge of active trading, while others prefer the peace of mind that comes with a more passive approach. Ultimately, the best method is the one that aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance.